Hi guys!
Welcome to my vlog.
Yes, vlog po ni Jane. Pang ilang vlog na po niya. At nandito na naman po ako.
This is yung Epal.
Pero meron tayong mga special guests. Pakita mo sila.
Wait lang, ito na.
Isahin mo, pakilala mo. Yan.
Ayan. Hi, mag-hi kayo.
Couple number 1. Robert and Ann.
Number 2.
Couple number 3. Heart launching. Select and people. O bakit nagkahiyaan bigla? Ito ka lang yun. Ganun din kayo. Wala na siya.
So, ano tayo, kuya?
So, nandito tayo sa Naiya. So, pupunta muna tayo sa Bangkok. Okay, so yung
Yun yung way over namin.
yes, yung over namin. So, medyo, we're just killing time right now para makapunta kami sa Bangkok. Pero, it's gonna be a fun experience. So, si Jane ang aking partner for this trip.
Yes.
Kaya kami naka-white parehas. Because kami, pure ang heart namin. As a pure person. In Valentine's Day. White kami ngayon eh. Okay? Sige. See you! Sa airport! The best airport ever! Dito namin pag-uusapan na mga rules and regulations of the trip. So dahil Valentine's Day ngayon, kailangan magmahalan tayong lahat. So ayan o, heart. Hi! Dito kami ngayon currently sa Bangkok International Airport.
So, ano ako, Swanabumi.
Sundamamami. Basta gano'n. So, stay kami dito sa isang waiting area kasi wala pa pala. Hindi kami makapag-check-in because hindi pa nagbubukas. Nakapag-book kami ng lounge access. So, pinamove na lang namin.
Pero si ate, mabait naman siya.
Mabait siya. Natawagan namin siya agad. And we'll see her there at around 3 to 4 a.m. Okay? Kasi hindi na pwedeng hindi pwedeng binayaran namin yun. 1.8 yun talaga. With food and drinks.
So, nakatambay na kami dito. Ipapakita namin.
Ito mo yung ulo. The Sleeping Beauties. So, yeah.
Hi!
Hi! We're now in Bhutan! Yeah, this is the first family.
Welcome to Bhutan.
Hi girls and boy.
Welcome to Mountain Cafe.
Hi Jane.
So it's a horse, green horse,
What? Bakit? Ay.
fire element, water element, sky, air. This could be sky and air. Like the, yeah, water. And then earth element.
And then the wood.
Wood normal.
Hi! Dito kami sa isang bridge.
So, Kuya Eddie will take over my vlog.
Yes,
Go, Kuya.
okay. Ayan, go! Lakad! Wala namang voice over to eh. Ay,
Uy, baka manong bilisan.
sige, yan, sige. Mag-hi kayo. Hi to the vlog. Mauna ka, Jane, para makita rin sila. Lapit! Hi! Daan!
May wait, ano ba?
Saan kayo? Ba't kayong dalawa? Lakad! Ay, nasusuka ka? Arte! International School?
May vertigo tayo.
Oh, go, daan! Daan!
Colors for love.
Ayan. Okay, ikot ko lang. Wait. Woo! Ay, ako na pala to. Tumatawid na po kami. Ano na nangyayari?
Your SpO2. Edison, what's your oxygen saturation?
I don't know, but the oxygen level is very nice. I feel the oxygen inside.
So soon you're gonna acclimatize.
Yeah, it's really nice
How's your
here.
hemoglobin?
Yeah, do you have
Polycythemia.
yeah, do you Ito binibidyo ko ta.
Concentrated to reach. So this is the olden way of building the bridges. This is the oldest bridge. Yeah.
Oo.
So special things. So this is made out of clay. So it's like village, they make a hole, and when people die, we collect the ash, we cremate it. Right? And the Buddhists we cremate it. After that, we collect the ash and we insert it inside with a powerful mantra, sealed it, and keep it. So it could be also like sick people, like to recover from
sickness.
You can also make this for longevity.
If it's for sickness, will you put
Just a mantra.
just the
No ash.
no ash?
We have to move this one, right? Or something.
Was that?
Are we allowed to touch it?
Yeah. So we always do like clockwise.
Oh, clockwise daw.
So that's a hand-driven prayer.
And we offer prayer.
We offer prayer.
Yes. So there's already like millions of mantra inserted inside.
Oh.
So whenever we turn that, so we actually accumulate the merit. So
Wow.
we believe
One
in
way only.
yeah, just
Just clockwise. Direction.
Or as you pray.
No, just keep on.
keep it.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's pray.
Sige, gusto niya yan eh. O go, ikot-ikot kayo. Ikot-ikot. Mag-prayer ka. Clockwise, you have to turn it clockwise. Bawal daw may makamis. Joke lang. Pre, hindi tayo pwedeng hindi ma-recordan. Na-pray mo na, Jane, yung yung yayaman pa tayo lalo. Yeah. And good health for our patients. And for our family. Kailangan mo daw iikot ng clockwise lahat, G. Ay, Yay! Tapos na ako. So he actually got the iron ore there?
Yes.
Wow. Ano ko?
B, Iron Man did here.
Sabihin mo sa kay Zion. Ay, wow!
So from here we actually see these are like very hard. See?
So are those the...
This is the one that he.
Is this iron as well?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Ang dami pa niya. Take it home? Over na yung weight doon.
Ginaya lang eh. This is Sparrow River! Ayan, oh. What else? Introduce us.
This is the 14th century original iron bit.
Yes.
This is just a replica.
Yeah, and the hole a while ago is the one where they got the iron. So if you have low hemoglobin, go there.
That's from the iron.
Yes. Okay, if you have iron deficiency anemia, you go here. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, you go consult a group.
Yes.
Please.
Correct. Congrats, Marklim. James. Asan tayo? Ano daw confluence to?
Influence of and
Sparrow. Kala ko confluence of arteries eh. Sorry.
And then
Timpo?
yes, then for
Arrow.
and then you see the four different types of the stupa here. Straight to the right, it's a Buddhist style stupa. In the middle with the golden top, that's a Tibetan style. And then small three top stupa, that's a Lalaki style stupa. Now that one.
Kaya nga eh.
And then to the left, that's a Nepali style. Stupa, or like you can say
Ay!
floating. So locally we call floating.
Ang aso. Hindi po yan sing cute ni Lakobi at saka ni ni Cloud.
dollars now.
Costume.
Hire for 1 day, so for like just for an hour, it's less. I think you guys have a good energy. Yeah, seriously, the energy, animals will be
Yeah. Because we're already stressed with our job. Say hi to the vlog.
So tomorrow, regarding tomorrow sightseeing, so every ticket comes from 1 o'clock. So we will check out, we'll go out. And then tomorrow we have a national national stupa.
Mag-hi ka. Hi! Oh, this is the...
This is the first day and our first day sa Bhutan. So ngayon, talaga-laga lang kami at saka tinatry ko i-acclimatize sa sarili ko kasi nga sa last day namin Tiger's Nest kami.
Correct.
Sobrang pagod nakakapagod.
So ito, anong ginagawa natin ngayon?
Wala, minumuli ka.
Nag-i-explore kami ngayon. So we're trying to look at the nice view here at Bhutan. So mukhang maganda naman. So parang meron dong area to sit. Makikita yata dito.